How to fix Apple TV not showing up on AirPlay. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Apple TV not showing up on AirPlay. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us discuss the reasons about why your Apple TV is not showing up on AirPlay. First, AirPlay settings might be disabled. Second, AirPlay is connected to multiple devices. And third, AirPlay software glitch. So here is the fix on how to fix these issues. Firstly, enable AirPlay. Go to Settings on your Apple TV and navigate to the menu option and select AirPlay. Turn on the AirPlay option and restart your TV and check if the problem is resolved. Next, disable other devices. Confirm if your Apple TV and AirPlay are on the same Wi-Fi connection. Disconnect AirPlay on your other devices. And third, restart your TV and confirm if the issue is fixed or not. Also, update software. Check for updates on your device you are using for AirPlay and your Apple TV. If an update is available, update your device and your TV. Now restart your device and TV and retry AirPlay. So, this is how you can fix Apple TV not showing up on AirPlay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.